Welcome to visareservation.com. Our aim is to make applying for visas easier than ever. If you're planning on travelling to Europe, you may need a visa to be able to enter any of the 26 countries in the Schengen area. We often hear travellers wondering how and where to get a free cover letter for their visa application. You might be thinking about how stressful it all is, what with all the other documents you have to prepare. Here at Visa Reservation, we want to help you understand everything there is to know about applying for visas. So, with that in mind, we're here to help you understand all about cover letters and also tell you where you can easily obtain a cover letter for your visa application without any hassle. Why do you need a cover letter? It's a mandatory requirement for many embassies that the applicant submits a professional letter to communicate the purpose of travel, explain what you intend to do in the host country, and in general, justify the need to apply for a visa. This is also another way for the embassy to ensure that you're a genuine traveller who is either visiting for tourism purposes or a temporary business purpose. The cover letter confirms the information stated on your application form. Think of it as a way to establish a connection with the embassy to ensure that they form a good first impression based on the documents provided. If you do this, there will be less chance that your application will be rejected. What should you include in a cover letter? A cover letter is required for both tourist and business visas. When drafting the letter, there are a few things that must be stated in the letter. The purpose of your travel to the destination country. Explain in detail what your travel plans are, whether that's for personal, medical, education, or business reasons. Proof of how you will fund your trip. This can typically be done by including your bank statements if you're paying for yourself, or if you have a sponsor, explain your personal relationship with your sponsor and the reason why they will be sponsoring your trip. For example, if your parents live in the destination country, you can mention that as part of the cover letter. An overview of your travel itinerary, which also explains why you chose to apply to a specific embassy. You should also include your travel dates, duration and plans. If you have plans of travelling to multiple countries, mention that as well. If there are any documents that you cannot submit, specify the reasons why and explain alternative documents that you're submitting. Your intent to return to your home country. This is one of the most important deciding factors for your visa approval or rejection, and also a concise list of all supporting documents you've submitted. Here's an example of a good cover letter. As you can see, the purpose of the trip has been explained in the first paragraph, along with additional details of information discussed at the embassy. The second paragraph gives more information about which type of visa is being applied for and the reason why this particular visa is being requested. The last paragraph gives the reason why a date hasn't been given and a list of documents that are being submitted along with the visa application. Obviously, the details that you write will be exclusive to you, but it's really not as complicated as it seems. The sample letter contains all the important details of your travel plans and will make things clearer to the embassy, which will make you sound genuine and ultimately lead to a higher chance of your visa application being approved. How to get a free cover letter for your visa application. If you've been wondering and stressing about how to get a free cover letter that will help you get the visa, relax. That's exactly what we're here for. At Visa Reservation, we have years of experience in helping our customers go through the visa application process easily and without any problems. We're here to help you so you can concentrate on planning your trip. We've got different kinds of packages for all kinds of travellers to help make the visa application process a breeze. The packages typically include flight reservations for visa, hotel reservations for visas, as well as travel insurance for visa applications and free cover letters. All you need to do is pick a package that fits your needs and we'll get all the documents sorted for you at a nominal fee. Please get in touch with our team to find out more details of how we can help you and how you can go about choosing a package on our website. Simply contact us at www.visareservation.com. Don't forget, every visa application case is unique, so we can provide free cover letter templates and guidelines so you can craft your own story based on your needs and situation when applying for a visa. Remember, if you need assistance with visas, check out our blog page where you'll find many articles about applying for visas. Plus, you can also refer to any of the resources, tips and links included in this video. Thanks for watching.